Assalamu alaikum and hello to all my lovely students. How are you all? All of you are good? Okay, so today I am here with a new video, and in this video I am going to tell you a new letter. So are you ready for it? Good. So first of all, we revise all the previous letter and then we will do the new one. Okay? Okay, let's say with me which letter is this? Yes, it's A. And what is the sound of A? A says ah. Yes. And which letter is this? B. B. Very good. This one C, K. And this one D, D. Very good. So again repeat with me. A, B, B, C, K, D, D. And look, we have a new letter today. You know which letter is this? Can you recognize it? Okay, so today I am going to tell you the letter and its sound. So this letter, this is E. Very good. This is E. And this is, and what is the sound of E? E says ah. Say with me. E, ah. E, ah. Very good. This is Mama E and this is Baby E. Very good. This is capital E and this is small e. So small e sound is ah. This is E and this is ah. E, ah. Say E, ah. Very good. So now I will tell you the vocabulary which starts with A. So are you ready to listen the story of A? Okay, so let's start the story. A has a box and he said that what he find he will put in the box, the vocabulary which he got he will put in the box. So first of all, A found egg. Yes, so egg starts with A. He found so many eggs. He put all the eggs in his box. Yes, and then he move on. So what he find? He went to the park and he saw many elves, and elves were playing in the park. So elves also start with A. Yes. So क्या egg जो है it's also start with A. And elves, you know kids about elves? Elves are like small very tiny creature. बहुत जो छोटे से लोग होते हैं ना, बहुत छोटे से, जिनको हम कहते हैं, आपने सुना भी होगा बोने. यस, बोनों को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? एल्व्स. सो एल्व्स भी जो होते हैं वो किससे स्टार्ट होते हैं? आ. यस, egg and elves. So he put elves in the box too. अब उसने अपने बॉक्स में किस किस को डाला? एग्स को और एल्व्स को. नाउ ही मूव फॉरवर्ड. अब वो आगे जाता है एंड ही वेंट टू द जू. अब वो कहाँ गया है? जू में. एंड व्हाट डिड ही सी इन द जू? He saw elephant in the zoo. Yes. अब उसने elephant देखा है. And elephant also starts with A. Very good. So the third vocabulary which starts with A is elephant. First is egg. Second is elves. And the third is elephant. So a sit on the elephant and he put his box on the elephant's back. अब वो ए जो है खुद भी एलिफेंट पे बैठ जाता है और अपना बॉक्स भी एलिफेंट पे रख देता है. जब एलिफेंट हॉप हॉप करता है तो क्या होता है, ए भी गिर जाता है नीचे और उसका बॉक्स भी गिर जाता है. और जब वो नीचे गिरता है तो व्हाट हैपन टू हिम, उसकी एल्बो इंजर्ड हो जाती है, उसकी एल्बो पे चोट आ जाती है. सो एल्बो ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स विद ए. यस, सो द फोर्थ vocabulary word which starts with a is elbow. Egg, elves, elephant and elbow. अब वो ए जो होता है अपने घर की तरफ जाने लगता है. तो what did he saw on the road, उसको क्या नजर आता है रोड पे? He saw an envelope. Yes, he saw envelope. So envelope also starts with a. So the fifth vocabulary word starts with a is envelope. So kids, all of you have seen the envelope? Yes. So we all, everyone has seen the envelope. So, and what is this? It's elevators. So elevators also starts with a. Yes, elevator is a little difficult word for you, but say with me one more time. Elevator. Yes, elevator. When you go to any mall, जब आप कहीं बाहर किसी शॉपिंग मॉल पे जाते हो या अगर आपका घर ऊपर है, तो आपने देखा होगा कि हम ऊपर जाने के लिए वी यूज़ एलिवेटर्स. यस, सो एलिवेटर्स ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स विद ए. सो kids, today I have told you about letter E and its sounds, and I have told you the vocabulary words which starts with letter A. Yes, so repeat with me. A is a egg, a elephant, a elves, a elbow, a envelope, and a elevators. Yes, so children, I hope you have learned a vocabulary, and in the next lesson I will tell you that how to write letter E and letter and its small letter a. Okay.